Just out filming this dirty bastard straight over top of our heads. Even casts a shadow. Bit fainter over there. Right over top of us. Down the other end of the street. Got photos of this lot. There's a lot more than can be seen actually. A lot more than can be seen. And the other way. That's covered over too.
You're on a bad photo, mate.
Just been outside taking pictures, and this dirty bastard, Luftwaffe, has just flown directly overhead and sprayed us. Directly overhead. Lufthansa, same thing. Cargo Airlines. McDonnell Douglas MD 11F. 29,810,000 foot. Although I find that a bit hard to believe, it didn't seem that high. Frankfurt to Chicago. What a mucky trail. There's something else going over, that's probably military, judging by this. Oh, mind you, I don't know. Anyway, Lufthansa, guilty, as usual. And it won't be that twin piston. That'd be military flying over. But, yeah, Luftwaffe. Just left a mucky trail directly overhead. The skies outside, they're obliterated with chemicals. The number of planes making a mess out there, it's unbelievable. The pilots are all brain dead, obviously, because although they're all suing their airlines for poisoning of them and the passengers, they're still doing it. You know, I mean, I guess the airliner's backhander is a lot more than they're paying out to the pilots. Well, the families of the pilots. The dead pilots. So what do you do? And the other pilots who work for the elite, believe in serving the country, serving the elite. I don't know, some people believe anything. About time you lot woke up, really is. You're killing everybody. Just keep it in mind, 9 out of 10 to die under Agenda 2030. Agenda 2030, United Nations. Depopulate by 95%. That means 9 out of 10 of your friends and loved ones will die, and you're the bastard spraying them. Keep that in mind. You're the one's going to have to live with it if you survive.